guys, if you want to see how I made this awesome DIY bleach shirt, then stick around for some tips and tricks, and I'll show you how I made this awesome DIY outfit. What is good fashion, people? It's your curly hair brown boy, and I am back at it again with another great video for you guys. I'm the Prince, and well guys, Today I have a great video for you guys. Today we will be doing another DIY bleaching video. So guys, I am so excited to do another bleaching video. I did already do a bleaching video. I bleached some black jeans and it came out so great. I was so happy and it was so much fun. And you guys should totally go check it out. I'm gonna leave a card right here. You can just go click and watch that video. So guys, I'm ready to do this, and if you guys are ready, then let's go. So guys, welcome back to my backyard. So we're gonna continue the bleaching out here for safety reasons. We don't want to do it inside the house or damage anything. And so I just want to start off with some safety tips. So guys, firstly, I recommend some gloves, guys. Be careful when working with bleach. It is very strong. So I have some gloves here for myself, and this time it does have a thumb. And some gloves. I recommend a white t-shirt because last time I did get a few spots on my jeans and it did have like some bleach spots. So I recommend a white t-shirt and a pants that you don't really care if it gets messed with some bleach. So yeah, if you do have some glasses or goggles, depending on how strong your bleach is, I also recommend it. But this bleach is not too strong, so I won't be having any eyewear. Okay, so let's get started. I have my box, I have some scissors, and we're just gonna cut out a piece that's gonna go inside of the shirt, which will prevent the bleach from bleeding through and affecting the other side. So I'm gonna go ahead and just cut that out. Okay, so here we go. Got my piece of cardboard, and we're just gonna see if this can fit nicely inside. Yeah, it looks like it will fit. Let me just take my shirt. Just fit this inside. Yes, there we go. It is fitting nicely. Yeah. So, okay, so the cardboard inside of the shirt will help to prevent it from bleeding through. And now guys, I had a lot of ideas. I watched some videos on what to get some ideas, and so we're gonna go through this step by step and just affect different parts of the shirt. So the first thing I want to do is I actually want to start with something I just thought of. I thought that I would do some pleats on the shirt. I also have a video on pleating, and then just go ahead and spray and see how that would come out. I felt like that would be pretty interesting. So let me go and do that. So guys, the first thing I wanted to do was do some pleats on this shirt. So to do the pleat, we're basically gonna pinch the one corner and then pinch another corner, lift up the fabric and fold it over, just like this. I do have a video on pleating if you guys do want to learn how to do that. And now I'm just gonna have my pins here, and I'm just gonna pin it down. And so my idea is that the pleats should hide some of the fabric on the one side, and I think I'm gonna spray it and see what type of an effect that gives to the shirt. I think it would actually come out pretty cool. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna do another one just under this one. And then I think I'm gonna continue and do about 2 or 3 more. And you guys can do as many as you want. And I'm really very curious to see how this is gonna come out. Okay, so I went and I did the pleating. So what I basically did, actually here, check it out. See how it looks. So what I basically did was I went and I folded and I pleat, and then I put in my pins horizontally to make sure that the fold stays flat, so that when I spray it, the bleach doesn't go on the other side. So I kind of just made this kind of weird pattern right here, and we're gonna spray and see how this looks. I think this is gonna come out pretty good. I'm very interested to see how this looks. What we're gonna do now is I'm gonna continue and I'm gonna do everything I want first, all the patterns and designs, and then we're gonna bleach it so that we can rinse the shirt out one time. Because once you've wet the shirt, the bleach doesn't affect the shirt as well as when it's dry. So the next thing that we're gonna do is I'm gonna try, well, if you stuck around, then you get to see what I'm gonna use this fork for. We're gonna use this fork to spin the shirt. So yeah, let me show you how to do that. So I got my fork here, and so what we're gonna do is gonna put the fork down, and we're gonna start using it to twist the shirt. Twist, twist just about here, just behind the pleats. And I'm just gonna twist it nice and tight. Take out my fork, and I'm gonna use this elastic band to hold this in place. I'm not sure how I'm gonna do this, but let me try. I think something like this should hold it. Nope. Okay, that doesn't look too bad. Something like this. Okay, and then, so that's done. Now we're gonna move on to the next thing I wanna do, which is the crunching. Okay, so now for the next part, I finished do the rolling up. Next part, I want to do some crunching. So what I did first, actually, check out here. So what I did was, because I wanted to crunch up on this side, the board was in the way, so I just went and I cut out the piece that was here so that I'd have space to crunch up. So now what we're gonna do is I'm basically just gonna almost like little folds. I'm gonna do like this, almost like little folds. And just keep moving my way up till the top, creating these kind of tiny little folds. Keep them nice like this. I think this is actually perfect. Go ahead, put my elastic on there. I want it to be quite deep into the shirt because I want the whole side basically to get all crunched up like that. Yeah, I think like this is actually fine. Yeah, okay, there we go. Just like this. Actually looks good. I just want to move it a bit higher up so that I can get as much of the shirt as I can. And just separate it a little bit so that it will spread out nicely. Now I want to work on one of the sleeves. And for one of the sleeves, I'm also basically just going to try and do the same like crunching effect. Just kind of really just squish it up and then just dip it in the bleach. And so for here, I'm just going to go ahead and just kind of crunch it up. Just like I'm really just going to crunch it up. Like randomly crunch it up. Where's my elastic? Here's my elastic. This is a pretty big elastic. So here we go. I'm just kind of gonna just crunch it up, twist it a little bit. I have no idea what I'm really doing with the sleeve. We're just gonna see how it comes out. Okay, I think something like this is fine. I'm just gonna dip this whole sleeve in. Okay, I'm pretty much done. I'm getting really excited. I'm like pretty anxious to see how this is gonna turn out. I'm pretty excited. So I'm gonna show you how the shirt looks and basically explain what we're gonna do, and then we're gonna actually get our bleach and bleach this shirt and just see how it's gonna happen. After we do the front, we're gonna move on to the back. And for the back, I didn't really have a plan. We're just gonna wing it. We're gonna freestyle it. So check it out. This is how the shirt looks. Here's the one corner, the other corner up to the sleeve. I just like the sleeve's pretty random. And then I have this little thing that I just found in my kitchen. I have no idea what is the purpose of this, but I really like how it looks. It looks almost like a little emblem or logo. And I'm just gonna spray it on here and I hope it comes out pretty well. So I got my gloves because we gotta have that safety first. Got my spray bottle, and we're gonna start off with the pleats. So I decided to start off with the spraying because that might take a bit longer to react. Okay, I guess let's just go for it. I'm like just spraying it. I'm legit just going ham, and as I can see it is changing color right now as we speak. Insane. Whoa. Okay, let's move on quickly to this little emblem type thing I got here. I'm just gonna hold it down and just spray that. Oh no, 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 it moved, it moved. Let's see. Okay, I don't know how that's gonna come out. Well, kind of, I can kind of see it forming. Okay, let's do this really quickly. So next is we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna pour the bleach over the little spiral that we made. Let's go for it and just pour the bleach. I don't even know if this is right. I'm just pouring bleach out here. This thing I just want to pour on the other side as well, just so that it has the effect on both sides. Oh, that's hot. That's some hot bleach right there. Okay, there we go. Next, we're gonna go for the crunch. And I'm just gonna pour bleach over the crunch here as well. Let's hold it nicely. Ooh, some bleach fell onto the shirt. I'm just gonna spray it a little bit as well. Let's go for it. Just shake that off. I wanna just turn it around. I can also do the back. Put some bleach here on the back as well. Okay. Okay. Now what I want to do is I want to dip this in here. It looks like it's a bit small, so I don't know. I'm gonna dip it in. I'm just gonna use my whole hand. Try and dip it in there. I don't know if you can kind of see that there. I'm just using my hand and dipping the whole sleeve into the bleach. Just like that. Squeeze it out a bit. And this is why we wear gloves, guys, so we can actually handle the bleach. Okay, what else did I want to do? Oh no, don't want to get bleach in the other. There's bleach everywhere. Okay. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna take this cardboard out and we're just gonna, here we go. It's starting to react. It's looking pretty crazy. It's actually looking really messy. I don't know, the back has also got bleach all over it. I do want the sides to just get some of it to get a bit more bleached up. So what I'm gonna take the spray bottle, I'm gonna go to the basin, spray it a bit more and get ready to rinse it off. This is actually looking pretty good here. Looking kind of maroony, a bit orangey as well. Okay. Cool. Okay, so I think I might just leave it for like a few more seconds and then I'm gonna like just completely wash out the shirt and then we're gonna head up to the back. So guys, I rinsed it out and this is how it looks. It is looking super crazy. I am actually loving it so much. You can see how the pleating came out. The pleating was actually a great idea. You can see here in the bottom quarter the spiral actually looks really good. You can see how the crunching came out. The logo was coming out really well, but while I was doing the crunching, water spilled over it. You can see somewhere around here is where it kind of was, but then unfortunately bleach spilled over it. But I'm pretty happy with it. I think it actually looks really good. It's looking like super orange, like a fire orange. I can show you guys the back. So the back got quite messed up, but it's also looking really good. You can see the spiral there and some bleach spilled over. So I'm actually pretty happy with it. I think it looks really great. But we're not done yet. I have some ideas that I still want to do on the back, and we're gonna go ahead and actually do that now. So I'm gonna lay it out, and what I have here is I have some locks and some keys, and I have like a chain, and I have no idea if this is gonna work out at all. Locks. Let's see, this is gonna be pretty interesting. I don't know if the locks are gonna come out too nicely because they're not exactly flat. so. Oh yeah, I forgot to put the cardboard inside. Thank you. Here we go. Okay, let me just put this cardboard inside. They're placed in nicely all over the cardboard. Got my spray bottle right here, and I'm just gonna go for it. I don't know how well it's gonna come out or how quickly the bleach will react, because when I was doing the pants, I saw that when clothing is wet, the bleach doesn't react as well. So I think I'm gonna have to leave this for a little while longer for the bleach to really react, and I might need to spray it a few more times. But I'm very curious to see how this is gonna come out, so I'm gonna leave it, let it react, and I'll show you guys when we go and rinse it off. Yeah. So guys, I tried the back as well, and I finished rinsing it off. As you guys can see here, it didn't really come out that well. You can kind of see the lock and the coins. You can't really see the keys. You can't really just like make out what it is if you didn't actually know what it is. But it's okay, you know. I just wanted to try, experiment, and it was really fun, guys. I enjoyed this so much. I think the shirt looks absolutely amazing. Came out much better than I thought it would. So I'm really happy about that. So now I'm gonna leave this to dry. And I'll show you guys the end results and just show you basically my whole tie-dye outfit. Don't forget to go check out the jeans so you can see how I did that and see how it all looks together. I'll show you in a moment. What is good, everyone?
I don't know what this is,
back,
but
as
it's
you can see,
hot.
my shit is all dried up and I am so happy. I think it looks absolutely amazing. Guys, I really had so much fun doing this, and I was just trying to experiment, try different bleaching techniques and ways to fold and maneuver the fabric. And so guys, I want you guys to check out my full bleached outfit. Here you go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate every single person that watches my videos, and I really encourage you guys to go and try out the bleaching, take my tips and implement them for yourselves, and number one, have fun. Do keep in mind that I do make weekly videos, so please watch my videos, guys. I would really appreciate it. And don't forget to drop a like, and if you're new to the channel, smack that sub button with the baseball bat, guys. It helps get my content out there to more people. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.